Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of your Roblox account on PC, Android and iOS. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Firstly, to log out when on the PC, navigate to the home page of Roblox and then simply tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen and then select Log Out from the drop-down menu. To log out of Roblox on the mobile app, you have to tap the three dots button from the bottom right of the screen to bring up the menu. From here, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see the Logout button. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.